In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to handle VAT on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you will see different sections for managing your store such as products, sales, analytics, and settings. Now, to learn how VAT works on Gumroad, open the Help Center from the left side of the screen and search for the EU and UK VAT article. According to Gumroad's VAT system, Gumroad acts as the merchant of record for many EU and UK digital sales. This means Gumroad automatically calculates, collects, and remits VAT for eligible purchases. You can also go to your product settings and review the tax-related options for your products. In some cases, you may be able to mark products as digital publications or configure VAT-related settings depending on your product type. If you sell digital products to customers in the EU or UK, VAT may automatically appear during checkout based on the buyer's location. You can also review transaction details and reports inside your dashboard to see how VAT was applied to your sales. If you need more information, the Help Center includes additional VAT articles, FAQs, and explanations about tax handling for different countries. And that's how to handle VAT on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.